In this video, we provide a step-by-step guide on how to replace an old or worn vent pipe flashing with a new one for your DWV system. After exposing the flashing base, pry up the old flashing and remove it from the vent pipe. Ensure you break any seal that exists around the pipe and the top of the flashing. With the old flashing removed, select the appropriate size flashing by measuring the width of the vent pipe. IPS Roofing offers various multi-size flashings that can be used with different pipe sizes. For the 4-in-1 and 3-in-1 multi-size flashings, pull the tearaway collar rings that correspond to the pipe size. Only use pliers to remove the collar rings. Never use anything sharp to cut the ring away, as this may cause immediate or unforeseen damage to the flashing, potentially leading to leaks. Before installing the vent flashing, apply a continuous bead of sealant on the underside of the flashing. Apply sealant in a U pattern. Do not apply sealant on the downward edge of the flashing. For hard-based and flexible-based products, always ensure the sealant used is compatible with flexible PVC and TPE. Avoid using petroleum-based mastics, sealing compound, or paint on either the flexible collar portions or the plastic base of the roof flashing. These products are not compatible and could cause premature failure. Next, ensure the DWV pipe is clean of debris and old sealant. The new pipe flashing needs a clean surface to seal against. Slide the flexible collar over the pipe and push down until the base lies flush with the roof decking. Nail the flashing on the top portion of the base, where future layers of shingles will cover the nail heads. Finally, apply sealant on all nail heads. Sealant on the collar is not necessary. If additional protection is desired, adding the IPS multi-size 4-in-1 rain collar is recommended. Shingle around the bubble of the flashing, cutting where necessary to ensure all shingles are flat on the roof. Install the shingles at least halfway down the flashing base to avoid exposing nail heads. For more information on this and other IPS roofing solutions, please visit our website at ipsroofing.com.